Hi guys, my name is Lev and today we're gonna make a summer salad which consists of quinoa, two different kind of apples, pears, fresh arugula, asparagus, pistachio dressing, balsamic vinegar or dressing, whatever you want, cherry, pine nuts, a little bit of avo, pumpkin seeds oil and hemp seed oil. So we're gonna cut pears by this way. And make a hole. So we have two different kind of apples. We cut it by the same weight. And then we're gonna toss it. So we have a pistachio dressing over there. I really like it. It's nutty. Then we toss it. I really like this salad because it's fresh and light. It's really good in summer. And then we put an apple inside the pear for presentation, right? So that looks like this. So then we start plating like that. Then we mix quinoa with the lemon juice and hemp seed oil. So this is the lemon, that is the oil. Pinch of salt. Avo. So, and we plate it between apples and pears. Right. So we toss it with the balsamic vinegar. Pinch of salt. A little bit of pumpkin oil. Mix it and place it as you want. So I prefer this way. We call it Haliwali style, you know. So, and then we mix arugula. The same bowl with the same dressing. And a pinch of salt. Place it on the top. Add some cherry in the corner for color and freshness. And add some pine nuts. This is the last touch, right? I really love them, you know. I like to put some extra. Voila! Summer salad.